CORSAIR HYDRO X Series of custom cooling components can transform your gaming PC into a quiet, high-performance system that not only looks cool, it is cool. Today we'll start out with a fairly standard gaming PC using our H100i Platinum and a Founders Edition RTX 2080. We'll also spec out a complete system using the HYDRO X custom cooling configurator and upgrade our system with those components. Before we start, let's take a quick look at the temps. When we fire up firmmark, we see that the GPU spikes up to 80 degrees. Let's see if adding water cooling can help manage those temps and give us more headroom for overclocking. For the first step, we'll enter our existing components into the configurator. The case we're using is an Obsidian 500D. Our motherboard is an MSI X299 Meg Creation. Our CPU is an i9-9980XE, and our graphics card is an RTX 2080 Founders Edition. After we input these components, the configurator will recommend a kit for us. If we want to add something into the loop later, we can always go back and adjust it. And now for the fun part, let's unleash this beast. With that, we've taken an awesome gaming PC and given it the thermal headroom it deserved. We repeated the test from earlier and hit about 50 C with the GPU block installed. Now with the loop complete, not only are our temperatures down, but our noise levels are too. For more info about the parts we used in the video, visit corsair.com, or check out the description below for a configurator code to see the exact loop we built today. Thanks for watching.